In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Interactive Broker Scanner. This tool inside Trader Workstation, often called TWS, helps you quickly find trade ideas by filtering the market for symbols that meet the criteria you care about. Think of it as a smart search that saves you from scrolling through endless tickers. First, open Trader Workstation. Give it a moment to load, especially if it's your first session of the day. Once you're in, look for New Window. This is where TWS keeps all of its tools and analytics. Click New Window, and from the menu that appears, select Market Scanner. That opens a clean workspace dedicated to building and running your scan. Next, choose your instrument. This tells the scanner which universe to search. For example, pick U.S. stocks if you want to look across the U.S. equity market, or choose futures if you're focusing on contracts like indexes, commodities, or rates. Selecting the right instrument helps keep your results relevant and manageable. Now choose a scanner type. This is the strategy behind your search. Top percent gainers will surface symbols with the strongest percentage moves up during your session, which is great for momentum ideas. Most active highlights the heaviest trading by volume, which can point to liquid, news-driven names. Pick the one that best matches your objective for the day. From here, you can refine with optional filters. Price lets you set a minimum and maximum, so you avoid names that are too cheap or too expensive for your plan. Volume helps you focus on liquidity. A higher minimum volume can make it easier to enter and exit positions without large slippage. Market cap narrows by company size, so you can aim at large, mid, or small caps depending on your risk tolerance and strategy. Use realistic ranges. Tight filters produce a focused list, while broader ranges will cast a wider net. When you're ready, click Search to run the scan. The results populate with symbols that match your criteria, along with key data like last price, change, and volume. You'll see the list update as the market moves, so it's a good idea to glance at the context of the day. Overall market direction can influence how you interpret gainers or activity spikes. If your list feels too crowded, consider tightening a filter. If it's too thin, relax one. Also note that some data and instruments may depend on your market data subscriptions. That's it. By opening TWS, selecting Market Scanner, choosing your instrument and scanner type, optionally refining with price, volume, and market cap, and then hitting Search, you'll quickly surface trade ideas tailored to your approach.